Hello everyone! Today, I'll introduce the installation and usage tutorial of the Cleartide Mini Split Condensate Pump. Combining powerful performance, high efficiency, a compact size, quiet operation, and easy installation. This mini split condensate pump is the ideal solution for narrow spaces. It is suitable for HVAC equipment with a capacity of up to 15 kilowatts, 45,000 BTU per hour, such as air conditioners, dehumidifiers, ducted AC units, and ceiling cassette units. Let's open the box and see what's inside. There is one manual, one main pump, one 1.2 ounces reservoir, one inlet adapter, one silicone tube, one connector tube, one breather tube, two Velcro strips, and some cable tie. The following tools may be used when installing a pump. Connect the breather tube to the reservoir port. Connect the AC drain pipe to the inlet of the reservoir, using an inlet adapter or silicone tube and cable ties. Choose a suitable location to install and fasten the pump by either Velcro strips or cable ties. Connect the reservoir and pump with a connector tube, length 2 m, secured with cable ties. Cut another piece of connector tube to the appropriate length and connect it to the pump outlet, secured with cable ties.
Distinguish between the power cable and the signal cable. Ensure the power is off before performing any wiring work. During automatic drainage, check for leaks or unusual noises. It operates at just 23 decibels, making it ideal for bedrooms, studies, and small offices where quiet really matters.
The pump will automatically start when the condensate in the reservoir rises to a level that lifts the built-in float switch. Once the water is nearly drained and the float switch drops, the pump will stop. This operating cycle repeats automatically as needed. It is important to ensure that the water inflow does not exceed the maximum flow rate of the pump, which is 10.57 gallons per hour. Regularly inspect and clean the reservoir and tubing to maintain the pump's optimal performance and extend its service life.